adverbs of frequency in negative sentences using simple present tense. If you haven't watched my previous video about frequency of adverb in positive sentences, please go back and watch. Frequency adverbs சொற்களை பாவித்து ஒரு எதிர்மறையான வசனங்களை எப்படி அமைப்பது என்பதை பற்றி ஒரு நிகழ்கால இலக்கணத்தை வைத்து இங்கே பார்ப்போம். Always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, hardly, ever, or rarely, and finally, never. Now let us look at these adverbs of frequency in positive sentences and then go to the negative sentence. Always. She always goes to the nightclub to dance. Negative. She doesn't always go to the nightclub to dance. Usually. They usually quarrel with each other. Negative. They don't usually quarrel with each other. Normally. I normally go to the gym. Negative. I don't normally go to the gym. Often. They often go out for dinner. Negative. They don't often go out for dinner. Sometimes. I sometimes go with my husband. Negative. I don't sometimes go with my husband. Now, remember, occasionally, seldom, hardly, ever, or rarely, and never are already in negative form. So in English, we do not use these adverbs of frequencies in negative forms. A practice in this adverbs of frequency in negative forms. Continue to watch my videos daily English and subscribe and like and click the bell button so you can continue to watch other videos. Thank you.